Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So, the endeavor should be how to become free from this material existence and come to our spiritual platform. That should be the endeavor of human life. The cats and dogs, they have no such advanced consciousness. They cannot try for it. They are satisfied with this material body and material senses. But in the human form body, there is chance to understand that these senses, this physical formation of the body is false, or temporary, or false in this sense that it is not my original body. Original body is within this material bodies, that is spiritual body. Asmin dehe, dehina, dehinasmin, tatha dehantaram prat. Asmin dehe, dehina. That the spiritual body is actually the body. And this material body is covering. It is explained in different ways in the Bhagavad-gita. Bhashansi jinnani jatha vihaya. This material body is just like dress. The dress, I am putting on this shirt, you are putting on this shirt and coat. That is not very important thing. The important thing is the body within the shirt. Similarly, this material body is simply outward covering of the spiritual body by physical atmosphere, but real body is within. Dehinasmin yatha dehi. This external physical body is called deha, and the owner of the deha is called dehi, one who possesses this deha. That we have done. This is the first instruction in the Bhagavad-gita. Then one should be inquisitive to know how this physical body has come into existence, covering myself, the spiritual body, aham brahmasmi. So to understand this science, Kapil Dev is explaining the physical Sankhya philosophy, how things are developing. To understand that, the same thing, to understand the simple thing that I am not this body. The body has developed from the soul. Therefore, we challenge the material scientists. They say that the soul has developed from the body. No. Soul has not developed from the body, but the body has developed from the soul. Just the opposite. The material scientists, they think that combination of these physical elements creates a situation when there is living life symptoms. No, that is not. The real is that fact is that the spirit soul is there. They are wandering all over the universe. Brahmanda Brahman. Brahmanda means all over the universe. The spirit soul is sometimes in one species of life, sometimes is another species of life, sometimes he is in this planet, sometimes in another planet. In this way, according to his karma, he is wandering. That is his material life. So, Eirupe Brahmanda Bhramite. He is loitering, wandering, without any aim. What is the aim of life? Why I have put into this condition accepting this material body, the source of all miseries? These questions should be asked. This is called Brahma Jigyasa. And that should be answered properly. Then our life will be successful. Otherwise, it is as useless as the body of a cat or a dog. No understanding. Mudha. Mudha.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.